walking on all of you. Sorry, I don't talk the truth. I don't see you under me. You talking, let your thunder speak. I'm spitting out shit up before you become the beat. Know I have the heart of the boss. Pay no mind, don't care about the cost. Talking to your chick would cross the line, but what if our paths just cross? Drop you at the finish line. This the line you didn't cross. It's about time for my shorthand to knock your ticker off. That means that your time is up. Indeed, messing out of luck. Put him in the leg, can't find that duck. Crush these boys, then grind them up. Who really wanna just line them up? Highlight hits, just shine them up. This is exactly what happens when my mind erupts. Now I'm about to get a little intellectual on these boys. I'm about to take it to another level. They don't wanna see it. Listen up. Alright. Flow is outrageous, illness not contagious unless somebody comes through and looks through my pages. My brain is pregnant with words, beats is craving. My brain gets to work within the beat like it was slaving in the booth 25-8. Forget they life savings. I spit so much my mic think that it's raining. It's an everyday thing, so ain't nothing changing. Put the mic a little to the left if you want rearranging. I'm a true artist, but you hear my painting make Leonardo da Vinci. Broad in his thinking, I'm a volcano in the booth, and I'm shaking. I'm about to erupt, words like lava I'm making. Ricky, nigga.
Reloading! That's another kill.
Friendly UAV inbound.
Down.
Bomb is armed.
That's confirmed.
Orbital VSAT on standby. UAV inbound.
He's gone.
Selected strike coordinates received. Hunter-killer drone deployed.
Get up!